Hi folks, how are you all doing today? So let's continue with the course. Okay, like we have been doing the course E 2021, right? So let's first quickly move on to the course at my dashboard basically. So on your dashboard, you will see all the courses which you are in, right? Currently, we are in course E 2021. So let's click on continue lesson. We are continuing with lesson 15, conditionals. Okay, so we've already discussed about conditionals in our previous videos. If you've not been watching my video series, so please do go back to my channel. There you'll have a playlist called as programming concepts. There you have about conditionals. Apart from this, in Applab also we have conditionals thing. Okay, so please do go back and check all of those videos to understand this in a better way. Okay, so, yeah, however, today we will be completing this lesson 15, right? Let's see what exactly is here and how these conditionals work with the farmer, right? Okay. So, yeah, please watch all my videos in a sequence if you're new here, right? Please do subscribe. And yes, let's start with the content today. Hi, I'm a farmer. I need your help to flatten the field on my farm so it's ready for planting. Move the pile of dirt and use the remove block to remove it. Okay, so you have a pile of dirt here, we have to remove that. Okay, so first he has to move forward till here, right? One, two, three, 4 times. So repeat 4 times, move forward. Okay, and then remove one. Perfect. All right, so let's continue. We have six holes basically, right? So move to the hole and fill it with 6 shovel full of dirt, right? Using the fill block. Okay. So first move forward, then repeat 6 times, fill one. Okay, we have to fill it 6 times because it is written as 6 here, right? So perfect. All right, let's continue. Let's see what we have here. Okay, we have 10 piles of dirt. We just have to remove them. Move to the pile of dirt and tell me how many shovelfuls to remove. So use as few blocks as possible to solve this puzzle. Okay, so we already know we just have to repeat it 10 times, right? First, it has to move forward and then it has to remove one. Remove will remove the pile of dirt. Fill will actually fill the hole. Okay. So I hope you're understanding the difference, right? Hole means you have to fill it, right? To just level up the ground, and pile means you have to remove it so that you can level up the ground. Okay. So, and while is a conditional loop basically, right? Until the condition becomes false, it continuously executes itself again and again forever, right? Forever in the sense until the condition becomes false. Okay, you can check out this video of while loop, but yeah, we already have discussed about while loop in our loops video in the programming concept series. Please do go back and check to understand more about it. Okay, and let's look at this. Let's closely look at the code below. What will happen after you click on run? So when run, first it will move forward till here. While there is a pile, okay, remove one. So that means the farmer will remove the dirt as long as there is a pile, then stop when the pile is gone. Yes, because while we are using while, right? So that's why. Perfect. Okay, so continue. Oh my, this pile is so big that it's hard to guess how much dirt is in it. We've added a new block to the toolbox called the while there is a pile block. Use this to remove dirt only while there's a pile. while there's some to scoop. Okay. All right. So you can see here, there's no number given, right? It's just given a question mark. Okay. So that means we don't know how many times to repeat this particular thing, right? So in a way, you can also say it this way. You can use a while loop when you really do not know how many times you have to do a particular task. Okay. So first, let's move forward. While there is a pile, then we have to remove. Okay. So until and unless there's a pile here, it will be removing the pile again and again and again. Okay. So if the ground is level, then it stops doing that. Okay. Because the condition became false then, right? So if there is a pile, only then it will remove, right? If the ground is level, it will not remove. Okay. So let's click on run. That's it. Okay. So let's just continue doing this. Now, okay, we have three piles basically, and we really do not know how many times to repeat something. Okay. But yeah, it has to move forward three times, and three times it has to remove the dirt. So we can actually use a repeat block three times basically. First, it has to move forward. While there is a pile, he has to remove one. Again, he will repeat it. Again, he will repeat it. Okay. That means he will repeat it three times. Okay. So let's click on continue. Yes. So let's see what exactly is given here, right? Okay, now the harvester needs to pick up all of the lettuce. Okay, we have three lettuce. We use while there's lettuce inside of a repeat loop to get it all. Okay, so let's use a repeat three times, right? First, he has to move forward while there's lettuce, pick lettuce. Okay, run. Perfect. All right, so let's continue. So it's taking a bit to load. Let it load. Okay. Yeah. Pick all of the lettuce. All right. So we have different numbers here, right? So if you have same number 5, then you would actually use a repeat loop also. But here you don't know how many number of times you have to repeat something, right? So that's why you will be using a while. Okay. For picking up the letters, you'll use while. But yeah, for doing this particular task repeatedly for 5 times, you can use repeat block. Okay. Repeat 5 times, move forward while there is lettuce, pick lettuce. Okay. So like you can see, it just does the same thing. While there is the lettuce, it will pick it. If not, it just moves forward and then does the same thing again and again. Okay. So 5 times is done, so it will stop. Okay. Let's just move on. So we have a video here, repeat until block. So repeat until is just like a while thing. So until that thing is there, it will repeat. Okay. So the lettuce is now only at the end of the path, right over here. So travel down the path until you reach a head of lettuce, then continue to pick while there is still some left. Okay. So repeat until there is lettuce due. That means until it sees this, it will repeat the same thing, whatever you are asking it to do. Okay. After that, you can do something. like repeat until, then while there's lettuce, pick lettuce. Okay, that's it. So it will repeat the move forward block until it sees that, and then it just picks up the lettuce while it sees the lettuce. Okay. The lettuce is scattered all over the garden. Travel down each path until you reach a head of lettuce. Then then continue to pick it while there's still some left. Okay. So like you can see, we have it here, here, and here. Okay. So that means repeat until there's lettuce. What it has to repeat? It has to repeat move forward, right? And while there is lettuce, it has to pick that up. Okay. So then after picking it up, he has to turn left, right? So that's why I'm just taking this turn left. This complete procedure has to be repeated 3 times to pick up all these 3 things. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking this repeat block, placing everything into repeat, and I'll say 3 times. Okay. So this will repeat it 3 times. So you can see it is moving forward first, and then it picks up the thing, turns left, and repeats the same thing. Okay. Yes. Now let's click on continue to continue this. So the lettuce is scattered all over the garden. Okay. Travel down each path until you reach a head of lettuce. Then continue to pick it while there's some left. Okay. Let's check it out. Uh, So first thing, from here till here we have to move, right? So and then we have to pick it up. After that it will turn right and move, turn right, turn right, turn right, turn right. So we have almost the same kind of thing like we had in the previous activity, right? So first, why repeat until there's lettuce, move forward. Okay. So then while you find lettuce, then pick it all up, right? Then you will have to turn right. The same procedure has to be repeated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Okay, so let's repeat it 6 times. Place it properly, then run it. So you can just see this execution thing also here, right? See, perfect. Okay, continue. So conditionals are if else, right? If else blocks. So if a particular condition is true, then it will continue with if that is false, then it will continue with else. Okay, we've already discussed about conditionals. Yeah, so please do go back to my channel and check out them to understand more and better. Okay, so as these are the lessons we're discussing about, I'm not discussing about any of the programming concept in deep. Okay, but yes, you can absolutely understand about these things like from the programming concepts videos of mine. Okay, please do go back and check when you're free. Now coming back to this challenge, the only way to get all of the crops is to move forward until you get the lettuce, then turn left if there's a path to the left, otherwise turn right. Okay, so all right, the logic is already given by them. Okay, so first thing, repeat until there's lettuce, move forward. Okay, while there's lettuce, pick it all up. Okay, then he has to, here at this point of time, he has to check if he can move left, then he can move left. If he has to move right, then he has to take right. Okay, So if path to the left, then turn left. Okay. Else turn right. Right. So after turning right, he will repeat the same thing again. Okay. So this will be continuously done for picking all these things up, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So the complete thing has to be repeated 7 times to complete the task. All right. So I'm just writing 7. Let's run it. So first it will pick, then it is checking. First it is checking if the path is towards the left or no. If it is there, then it is turning. If it's not there, then it will turn towards right. Okay. So here the path is not there on the left, so it is turning towards right. Okay. So something like this, and we have completed the challenge very easily. And there's the free play now, I think. Yeah, it's a practice thing. Not free play exactly, but it is practice thing. Okay. So move forward until you get to the lettuce. Then turn left if there's a path to the left. Otherwise, turn right. So basically the same thing, no? Okay. So repeat until there's lettuce. Move forward, right? While there's lettuce, pick it all up. Okay. And then if there's a path towards left, turn left. If not, you just turn right. That's it. This has to be repeated how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. Okay, so 9 times. Just place it all inside this, run it. So it is checking every direction basically. Okay, then only it will take a decision of which thing to be done. Perfect. Wow. So this was so fast, right? And we'll see this lesson 16 in our next session. Okay. So, yes, if you have not been watching my series yet, please do go back to my channel and do watch all of those, right? And yeah, so if you're liking my videos, please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, Folks Hub. So, I'll be meeting you all guys in the next video. Bye bye, guys. Have a great day and take care. Thank you so much for watching.